Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. The price is likely currently moving in wave C of 4. That means we're likely still in circle wave 5, as shown here on the chart of the larger degree third wave here. So not really any change. I have shifted the microstructures a little bit, but already made you aware that should we drop any further, it's likely that the fourth wave here internally, which I had located before it was here, I think, on the 19th of December, is likely still unfolding. It is getting really messy up here, but I think at the moment at least, the best interpretation is that this is an internal fourth wave within circle wave 5. Now, this is not an absolute guarantee. I mean, we could certainly be already in the larger degree fourth wave. Just the microstructures still allow for the interpretation we might move a little higher. But, you know, the key support area, and I'm not intentionally not providing further micro support levels, retracement levels, other than here the area between 199 and 335, because it's a bit unclear whether we are in a larger fourth wave or in the smaller fourth wave. Again, main idea is we are still in the smaller fourth wave, but it shouldn't drop much more. So we've now reached the blue Fibonacci extension area. Why is that there, and in how far is it different from the 199 to 335 area? So this is an area here between 380 and 350, which is just based or measured based on the internal structure here, yeah? So if we say an internal third wave, and that's unchanged, topped here around the 12th or 13th of December, then the initial decline was an A wave, and we can take the measurement of that A wave, and then we compare that with the length of a possible C wave. And, you know, this is here. And again, it's just a label, so I'm not saying it will finish there here where it's positioned. It's more about understanding what are the key levels, you know, what could the price react to. And the first key level in this wave count would be the 380 level. That's the 100% extension. That means the A wave and the C wave, they have the same length. That's the case now, and that is one ideal target for such a C wave. And we've already, as I said, we've already reached the 380 level. There's a small reaction, but this is far from confirming that a low has actually formed. Yeah, maybe a local low, but even that is not confirmed at this stage. If we break down any further than that, then I think I mentioned in the last video, should we break below 350, I will start to assume a sustained break I'm talking about. Then I will start to assume that we are in the larger wave 4 already. And then these are Fibonacci retracement levels. And if we're in the larger wave 4, the 335 level could provide some support, but let's be honest, the 23.6 Fib level is a bit weak for a wave 4 of that wave degree. So in that case, a test of 250 or 199 seems likely. Ideally 250. Ideally 250. The 38.2 retracement, yeah, is normally an ideal target for such a fourth wave. So this is what we are tracking at the moment. And at the moment, we're clearly still in a correction. So that's not changed. You know, this move down has started on the 5th of January. So we've been watching this correction materialize over the last couple of weeks without any bottoming confirmation. Yeah. And you can see here, we're currently breaking below 380 without any clear bottoming signal either. Okay. So, I mean, we would need to see some upside. I mean, on the micro level here, minimally a break above the last high, 422, as an early signal that some kind of a low has formed, but better would obviously be a break above that more significant swing high at around 514, 515, and a move above the B wave high, which is located around 535. These would be the next key levels. But let's first see where the price finds some support. Whenever we get a small reaction anywhere, we can watch if the market can generate a micro 5-wave pattern to the upside. Now, what should happen in a fifth wave is a first 5-wave move up, yeah? But should the next rally be corrective, it would be a good indication that the larger fourth wave is already unfolding, which Wouldn't be a great change of scenarios unless the market breaks below 199, because then I have to reinterpret the chart. Then indeed the market would form a top a little bit earlier than expected. It would be a little bit earlier than expected. For now, one more high at least would be ideal to complete the larger third wave, or okay, if we are already in the fourth, then at least one more high for the fifth wave. Yeah. But if we are now breaking, so essentially it's bullish against 199. That's how much space we have to give this market in a still, well, this chart in a still bullish market. And ideally, because we are only in a smaller degree wave 4, at least based on my interpretation, it wouldn't even go down that much at this stage, right? So ideally it finds support before breaking below 350. So if not, then we are possibly dealing with the larger fourth wave. But we'll assess that in the next few days. At the moment anyway, the price hasn't formed any support or found any support, and the trend is still down. So the situation hasn't really changed. We're just still waiting for evidence that some kind of a low has formed. Yeah, that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.